Hello there, I'm Mike Mackay and I'm your online lecturer for ADV101, Understanding Advertising. If you'd like to know a little bit more about me, you can check out my profile here on the Learning Portal, but in the meantime I can tell you that as well as being a lecturer for around 3 years now, I'm also a creative consultant to a number of advertising agencies based here in Sydney and some in the Asia Pacific region. Prior to that, I owned and operated my own advertising agency called ADV101. And prior to that, I had a career in marketing and promotions and radio, followed by a career in satellite broadcasting based in Hong Kong for about 7 years, helping to launch Channel V for Star TV and working in the Asia Pacific and Middle Eastern regions. Okay, enough about me. Now to ADV 101, Understanding Advertising. This course is designed to give you a very thorough understanding of the advertising industry, how it works, how to make effective advertising, the landscape that the advertising industry operates within, and of course really important stuff like the ethical issues that advertising faces in its day-to-day operations. Your assessments involve looking at the history and the evolution of advertising, the changes in technology that have happened over the years and had an impact on the industry. You'll analyse some controversial advertising, which gets really interesting. And I've also got a great guest lecturer lined up, at which I'll film his work for my face-to-face class and put it up on the portal. He'll be talking about social media marketing, things like Facebook and Twitter, and how those tools have had an impact on advertising over the years, as we now live, as you'd know, in an era where a poorly worded tweet can bring a brand to its knees. I'll be here to help you every step of the way. I encourage you strongly to use the discussion forums to communicate with me. I do check them every day, and if you put questions up there, it means that when I answer them, everyone in our class can benefit from that exchange of information. In the meantime, what I'd ask you to do is take a quiz that I've put up on the welcome message, the written one that you'll find at the top of the page on the portal. It asks you to find out what kind of sports car you are. Is it trivia? Is it a genuine attempt to use a psychological profiling tool? Well, we'll find that out as we go along. But what I'd like you to do is have a crack at the quiz and then put your answers up on the discussion forum. Also, please check the discussion forum because I've set a task there that I'd like you to do. I'm looking forward to working with you. Cheers.